here. Today's July 31st, and that is my mother's birthday, which is 7 days before my birthday, 8/7. And I purposely picked this date to move to LA because this day is just really sad for me. My mom passed away, and it just always, I never know how to celebrate it. And in gearing up for my move and just trying to figure out how I was gonna make it happen, I just felt like, I don't know, the date just called to me as the day I need to be there, and I just thought it was the perfect way to celebrate her because she was the most fearless person I knew. So I'm gonna do the thing that scares me the most in honor of the most fearless person. So happy birthday, girl, and good luck to me. I will vlog with y'all shortly. I look mad disheveled right now because, girl, anyway, I look very disheveled because my sister was late, so we had to like run to check in, and then, my TSA pre-check was not on my boarding pass. I didn't realize that till I got to the little gate thing, and she was like, oh, you can run back and go put it on. And I was like, girl, fuck you. So then I went through regular, and that was the worst experience of my life.
Ah, look at this little nigga here. Look more like 5 cents. Nigga, can't you read? The sign says put all metal objects in a container. Take your ass on. Get on back there. Get your ass back here.
It was so disgusting. Like, I took my laptop on my back, camera. Girl. I will never doing that again. The next time she tells me go back to the kiosk and ask them to confirm, I'm doing that because, ooh. No.
Ma'am, take out your AirPods.
Yeah. Ma'am, take out your nose ring. Do you have on a bra? Take that off too. What the fuck? Like, it's excessive.
And the worker.
Yeah. So, we're on our way. It still hasn't hit me yet that I'm moving. I feel like I'm going on a really extended girls trip. So I'm just like, okay, we're going. So we have officially landed in LA with my sister. We got our rental car. I need to go see my apartment for the first time in real life because I had to FaceTime tour it. I know in my previous LA vlog I toured 3 apartments and everybody keeps asking if I chose one of those. I did not, because originally I was gonna have a roommate and that situation changed, and I'm doing a solo 1-bedroom situation, so I kind of had to scramble to find this apartment, which I actually really loved from my FaceTime tour, but it's definitely gonna be different seeing it in real life, and you guys will experience that with me for the first time. And then I guess I'll tell you the story about how I found it. If you guys want it, let me know in the comments, because I'm just winging it here, so we'll see. So I'm here. This is my courtyard. It's a little bright, but whatever. You guys get it. I'm on my phone. My camera's somewhere in one of these 100,000 bags that I brought, which these are all my bags. And then I also have boxes being shipped at some point this week.
Unpacking, putting stuff together. Just finished putting this together. About to put that together. Call my sister. You help me bring something.
put this together. When I say we, I mean blue. I'm very excited. My chairs get here, I think, on Friday. Hopefully, because I start work on Monday and I need somewhere to sit. I'm not gonna sit Indian style on the floor. Can I say Indian style?
But y'all don't say that.
You know what? That might be problematic, so I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna sit crisscross applesauce on the floor all day for work. So I need my chairs to get here. But I'm dumb hype about this table. This table caused a lot of controversy because I put a poll out on Instagram, and the one that won just didn't speak to my spirit, so I picked this one, and now everybody's like, I'm never voting in a poll for you again. You know, this is yesterday was the first night I was gonna sleep on my mattress and I fell asleep, knocked out. So I realized my sister never joined me, and I come out this morning and I don't know why she did this. And then she also put some styrofoam under her body from my dining table. I really don't know. She didn't have to. She said she was trying to get the full LA couch surfing experience. But I really don't know why she slept on this floor. Like, she could have opened the door.
You closed the door and
It was
covered the room.
no, because it was cold.
I see it on floors. I'm like 40.
Oh God, how you gonna be able to hike today?
I hope so.
Yo,
My hips.
Dito, your hair is all out. And
I don't know how it's moving because it's not very smooth. Hold on.
well, we're gonna go hiking today. And then I don't know. I still need to unpack, and that's like the one thing I've been dreading. But also, I don't have my dresser yet, so I can't unpack much. I just have to unpack like my sneakers and the things that are hung in the closet, because the rest of it needs to be folded in a drawer, and my dresser's not here. So I haven't really sat down and caught you guys up on what's been happening for the last 3 days. I mean, I've been vlogging sporadically. That reminds me of Clueless. Whatever.
Sporadically? How do you know if you're doing it sporadically? That's another thing, Ty. We've got to work on your accent and vocabulary. See, sporadic means once in a while. Try and use it in a sentence today. All right.
So my video stopped right when I was talking. I don't even remember what I said, because if you guys see that FedEx truck to the left of me, they actually just called me and said they were trying to get in contact with me because I have some packages that are signature only, and those are the things that I shipped from home to here because I didn't want to have too many suitcases. So luckily we were still around, so FedEx didn't have to take my stuff back to the facility. Let me know if you guys want a video about like how exactly I got my stuff over here, like how much I saved, what I spent, because I saved like a significant amount of money, but honestly, like that money goes fast. Like, you know, if you save 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, if you're completely furnishing an apartment, if you're paying for moving costs, just like the little things you would never think you need, you have to buy. Like even when you first move in, I had to buy all new like cleaning products. Like I needed a mop, I needed a broom, and I needed bleach, laundry detergent. Like those little things add up. So if you guys want a video about that kind of stuff, how I save my money, how I went about saving my money, how long, let me know, because I think that's an important thing to know. When I was about to move, I watched a bunch of vlogs about it, and I was so tired of seeing those $1 and a dream ass vlogs. It was people being like, so I saved $200 and I couch surfed for a year and this is how I made it. Now, I'm not shaming anyone if that's your journey, but that's just not my jam. I need stability, I need to plan, I need the logistics. So if you're someone like me who likes a well thought out move and you really want to plan things, let me know if you want that kind of video, because I'll be more than happy to share the information, because there was a lot of information that I just wish I had before I moved that I just didn't have. And it wasn't that I didn't have access to it, but everyone's experience is so different. So even if I did make the video, it'll be different for you. But just let me know, because, you know, I'm all about sharing the wealth. I want everybody to have all the information possible when they're trying to make these big moves. So going hiking today, I'm excited. I've done the Griffith hike. I did one of the trails, but today we're gonna do the Hollywood Sign Trail because my sister wanted to do that one. So we're gonna do that. It's like 3 miles up.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, ladies and gentlemen.
Made it.
So we're back from the hike, but I also have no chairs, so this is just what it gotta be right now. My sister also. I mean, she slept here, so I think she's pretty accustomed. She slept here by choice before she tries to spread any proper. No,
Me out. You locked me out of the room.
there's no lock on my door.
Yes, it. You
Literally
closed
no
the door,
lock.
you locked me out,
I
and
did.
I was forced to sleep on styrofoam and hardwood floors.
No, I literally closed the door because she had the AC on 50 degrees and I was cold. So I just closed my door so I wouldn't freeze.
Everybody knows.
And she took the sheets.
No ACs go down to 50, so.
This one does.
No, it doesn't.
Just how my door allegedly has a lock, this AC goes to 50.